Hello my friends, again welcome in my class. So let's start today class. uh, Today we will learn about again how to write, read and then speak, as well as the new words. So first of all, can you see here pch, right? So pch is nothing but, here, one moment, let me just check this. Okay, I need to erase it. hmm. Hmm. So first of all, can you see here that the words are written? You try to learn mnoga, mala, kagda, volga. ठीक है? So this all, here you can see the stress are here, right? There is stress. So you need to put the stress, right? Mnoga, stress on o. Mala, stress on a. Kagda, stress on a. And then Volga. Volga is a river, right? What is that? A river. So river, Volga river. So that is stress on o. So here pch means right, right. So first you can see the big one, ga, capital. The small ga, small ga, go, go, right? How we are writing? Can you see mnoga, mnoga, hmm? Volga, Volga, right? So like that we are writing. So another, just we'll try to write here, kh, kh, kha. This is kho, right? Another is khu. Sorry, one moment, it's not perfect. Khu, hmm? Plokha, plokha means, I will tell you, bad. Plokha. Kholadna, kholadna is cold. Okay, I will tell you all the meaning. So now you just try to write it. Okay, so first of all, can you see Kholadna? He is wearing the coat, overcoat. So Kholadna is, what is that? Cold. What is that? Cold. Right here, can you see Kholadna? Stress on O. Where? O. Can you see Plokha? Stress on O. Plokha. Plokha means bad, right? When you are feeling cold, that is bad, not good feeling. Kagda holadna plokha, that means, kagda means when, right? Holadna is cold and plokha is bad. So when kagda holadna, kagda holadna plokha, when there is, correct translation, the situational translation, when there is a cold, it's bad. What is that? It's bad, like that. Okay, so when cold, it is bad. Okay, version of translation you can do it. Okay, maybe a word to word translation also you can. When cold, it's bad, right? Like that. So that you can see minus 25 degree. Pagoda is weather. What is that? Weather. Hmm? Let's move here. That new word is there. Quoth. Quoth is what? Cat. Kak is how. To is who. One moment. Let me erase it. Who is that? Who? Question mark. Right? How? Question mark also. Dom is home. Right? Tam is there. Bank is bank. Bank. Plocha. Plocha is bad. Mnoga is many. What is that? One moment. I'll just write and again. Many. Many. Right? Mala is less. Right? Many or less. Doma is at home. Bookwise later. Lampa is lamp. Komnata is room. Right? Another Khuladna is cold. Pagoda is weather. Right? What is that? Weather. Malako is milk. What is that? Milk. Right? So here you learn today new words. So you need to repeat it. Then you will remember it. And then correlate with your language or maybe the English you are learning. So you will get to know and then remember all the thing. Here also another thing slusiche paftariche and chitaiche. Right? This whole thing you can read yourself because this is the very basic one. So first of all, vra, vla, vna, like that. Okay, dra, rava, ra, la, na, like that. Ro, lo, no, right? Ru, lu, nu, roi, lui, nui, like that. So you can practice yourself. Can you see the small r? Capital R, the small r, ra, ro, ru, rui. How I'm writing? Park. Park is park. Same like English. Or Roiba. Roiba is what is that? Fish. Fish. Right? Roiba. Roiba. Brat. Brother. How we are writing? Brat. So this whole thing. See here. The new word is there. Park. This is brat. Brother. This is tort. What is that? Cake. Riva is what? Fish. Karta is what? Map. Grupa is what? Group. Utram is morning. What is that? Morning. Padaruga. Padaruga. Station U. Padaruga. So what is that? Girlfriend. What is that? Girlfriend. So first of all, can you see here few sentences are there, small. Eta karta. So eta karta, can you see this is the map, right? So what is that? Eta is this, right? This is map or this is a map, right? Tam park, Tam park. So that means there is a park or there is park. What malako ivada. Can you see? This is milk and this is water. So what means here, here, here are because uncountable noun. So here each are like one moment. Here is milk and water. Tam ruibai tot. So tam means there. There is or there are. There are fish and cake. Utram kholadna. Utram is morning. Morning is cold. What is that? Morning is cold. Now can you see etakarta? So that means normal. This is map. Etakarta. Etakarta. So that means is this map? Asking question. Da etakarta. Like that. You need to read it. Yes, it is map. Or yes, this is map. Correct. Can you see the another one word which are going to change here? Interesting one. Okay. So first you learn this whole thing how the words alphabets are index are getting changed. So first of all, can you see here club? What is that? Club. So that is word coming from club. So what is we are pronouncing? Ba becomes pa. Wa becomes fa. Ga becomes ka. Da becomes te. Right? So this is club. No. Correct is club. Ivanov. Not Ivanov. 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 Drug. This is drug. Friend. Club. This is friend. Ivanov is name. Right? So this is drug. Drug is ka becomes ga becomes ka. Drug. Gorad. Right? But we are the becomes the. Gorad. Gorad means town. Right? So here some changes are here in Russian language. So you will learn frequently like or slowly. Okay, this kind of word. So today just let's complete these all sentences. Okay, there is small sentences are there. I will translate as well as that tell you the meaning. Vot karta. So just now I told you vot karta. That means here is map. What is that? Here is map. Eta gorad. So this means this is Gorad is city. Right? This is city. Eta urok. Urok is urok. Sorry, I'm writing in English but not this one. Urok. It is class. Right? So it is telling this is class. Eta urok. This is class. Both grupa. That means here is group. Right? Another eta dom. So this is home. Right? Both komnata. That means here is room. Right? Another one. Both park. So that means here is park. Tam dom. So that means there is home. Right? I'll just remove because I have the very less space here. Let's try to erase it. So English is not very fast mine, so you can learn slowly. Even you can learn English as well as Russian. Eta Anton. So what is that? This is Anton. Anna Ivanlin. So what is that? Here is correct translation is A double N A Anna and Vanlin. So Vanlin is Vanlin. Correct. Just I'll erase again. Can you see? Tu takno. What is that? Tu takno. Tut means there. There is window. Tam kot. Tam means there. There is cat. So can you see here the question is coming like that. Aitakarta. Aitakarta. That means Aitakarta. So is this map? Asking the question. The Karta. That means yes. Karta is yes. It is map. Etago Etagorad. That means is this city? The Gorad. So that means yes city. Or maybe yes it is city. Right? So today you have learned like how to write, read, translate, pronunciation, new word meaning. So let me tell further like how do you like my classes or what kind of improvement is required. Every day I'm asking, okay, because I want to know that what difficulty you are facing. If anything in easy way or materially required, you just write me in the comment and regularly visit if you seriously want to learn Russian language. Okay, thank you very much for your time. So we'll see you in the next class. Thank you so much.